Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to create an ultimate dewy glowy makeup tutorial for easy everyday makeup. I am using the Flawless Beauty Primer from Pixie by Petra. I'm squeezing out a 2-inch line of product on the back of my hands and using my fingers to apply the primer by dotting it all over my face and then massaging it really well so it melts into my skin and fills all the imperfections. I am using the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Longwear Foundation in shade 3.30. Using the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, I am applying it on my skin by dabbing and stippling the sponge all over my face. I'm using the same motion to blend the foundation, and don't forget to cover the corners of your nose, your hairline, and your neck. I am going to use a flat top foundation brush to give it an airbrush look by using circular motion by blending it. For concealer, I am using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium 1.5 Macadamia. I always like to apply a check sign under my eyes. Then, I blend it with a Beauty Blender blusher sponge. Use the same stippling and dabbing motion under your eyes and make sure to also cover on top of your eyelids. I am using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder with the Velour Puff to set my concealer and foundation. I am using a pressing and rolling technique to apply the powder. For my eyebrows, I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel in Granite to groom my brows. Then I'll be using the Revlon Colorstay Brow Pencil in dark brown to fill it in and shape it. For eyeshadow, I will start with the Revlon Colorstay Creme eyeshadow in Caramel, applying it with my finger all over my eyelid. Then, using the Sephora Collection eyeshadow in Copper Rush 291, I am applying it on my lower lids. Using the Sephora Collection eyeshadow Sunset at the Beach 210, I am applying it in the inner corner of my eyes. I am using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Bark on my upper lash line, smoking it out for more depth. Using another Sephora Collection eyeshadow in shade 216 Girl Night Out, I am using an eyeliner brush to apply on my lower lash line. I'm using the Marc Jacobs Beauty eyeliner in Earthquake Dark Brown to line my upper lash line and the outer corner of my lower lash line. Doing so will help frame my eyes. Using my favorite waterproof liquid eyeliner from Marc Jacobs Beauty, I am creating a light wing. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to use the Chanel Le Volume Mascara. This next step is so important for this dewy glowy makeup look. Sephora Collection has a very similar liquid highlighter called Golden Hour Liquid Highlighter in shade Sunlight 01. I'm using a medium stipple brush to apply the liquid highlighter, sweeping it across my cheekbones for that dewy glowy look. Make sure to blend well. You do not want to see any streaky, highlighted cheekbones. Next, I'm using Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek in Glimmer. I'm using it on my cheeks to give it a nice blushy glow. I will be blending it with a large stippling brush, and this will give it a nice sheer look. I will contour my face using Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in shade Nude Bronze Light. Using a large powder brush, I am applying it where the shadow hits, under my cheekbones, the temples, the hairline on my forehead, the jawline, and my neck. I also like to contour my nose with the same bronzer using a smaller stippling brush. All of this contouring will bring out the highlight you just created. Can't forget about the lips. I'm using Huda Beauty Diamond Balm in Seductress to prep my lips, and I'll be using a lip liner from L'Oreal Color Riche in shade Beyond Pink to fill in my whole entire lip. Then I'll use the Pat McGrath Labs Clear Vinyl Gloss to top it off. To finish off the lips, I'm highlighting above the bow of my lip line using a lip brush. And then, using a blending eyeshadow brush, I will sweep a little highlight on the bridge of my nose. I hope you enjoyed my ultimate dewy glowy makeup tutorial for easy everyday makeup. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.